10 most mysterious objects ever found, frozen in Antarctic ice. Antarctica is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. It's the coldest location ever recorded, with average temps around minus 50 degrees Celsius, and sometimes plunging as low as minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Plus, it's the least explored continent on the planet. Beneath its massive ice sheets lie over 400 unfrozen lakes, kept liquid thanks to geothermal heat from Earth's core. There's no official time zone here, no countries, and only 2 ATMs. And if you thought that wasn't weird enough, buckle up. I'm about to dive into 10 of the weirdest, most baffling discoveries ever found frozen in Antarctic ice. Antarctica was first spotted in 1820 by a Russian expedition. Since then, it's captivated researchers and scientists worldwide. How could life possibly survive in this eternal deep freeze? What secrets are buried beneath miles of ice? Legends and myths swirl around this frozen landmass. Some folks swear there's an alien spacecraft trapped and frozen somewhere in the ice. Others believe hidden Nazi bases are buried deep beneath the glaciers. Another wild theory? That a whole lost city lies concealed beneath the ice, completely hidden from human eyes. Some scientists even entertain the idea that Antarctica might be the final resting place of Atlantis. According to legend, Atlantis was a mystical city inhabited by demigods. First mentioned by Greek philosopher Plato around 360 BC, its whereabouts have sparked debate for centuries. Researchers are still struggling to uncover the truth behind this enigmatic continent. And some of their discoveries? They don't make things easier. In fact, they often raise more questions than answers. These finds? Seriously mind-blowing. 10. 3 elongated skulls. In 2014, researchers uncovered 3 elongated human skulls, the first human remains ever found in Antarctica. What's wild? These skulls closely resemble those found in ancient Egypt, Peru, and other distant locations. This skull-shaping practice was common in several ancient civilizations, achieved by binding infants' heads during early development. The discovery suggests possible ancient connections between cultures in Africa, South America, and Antarctica. That's a plot twist no one saw coming. 9. Meteorites everywhere. Antarctica's vast white expanse makes space rocks stand out like neon signs. That's probably why 90% of all meteorites ever found on Earth were discovered here. The ice also acts like a natural preserver, protecting them from weathering and corrosion. For the past 50 years, more than 10,000 meteorites have been recovered, some over 700,000 years old. One potato-sized rock that crashed in 2002, found in 2015, actually came from Mars, and baffled scientists by containing fossilized traces of Martian microbes. As long as it doesn't carry space plague, we're cool with it. 8. Dinosaur fossils. Dinosaurs once roamed Antarctica. Since the 1980s, scientists have uncovered nearly 1 million tons of fossils here, most over 71 million years old. These include remains of prehistoric birds and marine reptiles like mosasaurs and plesiosaurs. That means dinosaurs lived here between 70 and 200 million years ago. Totally plausible, since global temps were way warmer back then. Also, Antarctica wasn't even in its current location. It sat closer to what's now the Southwest Pacific. Continental drift for the win. 7. Petrified remains of a weird ancient creature. In 2009, archaeologists made a jaw-dropping find: the fossilized remains of a bizarre creature, about the size of a house cat. But nothing like any pet you'd want on your couch. This egg-laying critter was a distant relative of modern mammals and lived over 250 million years ago. Scientists think it migrated to Antarctica from South Africa during a global warming phase, possible because back then, Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Pangaea. 6. Bloodfalls. At first glance, Taylor Glacier looks like a crime scene, crimson liquid oozing over white ice, cascading into the sea. Don't panic. It's not blood. This eerie waterfall gets its red hue from extremely high iron oxide content. Its source? A sealed subglacial lake a few kilometers away. The lake's salinity is 4 times saltier than seawater, so both the lake and the waterfall only freeze below -10 degrees Celsius. 5. The dry valleys.